So you're a small business owner looking for a credit card tailored specifically to meet your needs. You've come across the Relay credit card and you've got some questions. Well, in this video, I'm going to provide you with a clear overview of what the Relay card is, how it works, and the unique benefits it offers to small businesses, and what you absolutely must know before deciding whether this card is right for you. So make sure to stick around. And before we dive in, I do want to mention that Relay has partnered with me to make this video possible, but they have allowed me to provide a clear and unbiased review. So we're going to be talking about the pros and the cons. Let's dive in with a quick overview of Relay as a whole. Now, I've got a full video breaking down exactly how Relay works, but in essence, Relay is a business banking and money management platform that puts small business owners in control of their cash flow. They do this by combining their financial products like bank accounts with integrated software tools to make managing your money a whole lot easier. Now, the Relay credit card complements all of that and takes it a step further. Now, with the card, you're looking at a business credit card with a 30-day billing cycle, 1.5% cash back, and no annual fees. This offers a unique combination of convenience, flexibility, and rewards to satisfy the needs of business owners. Now, a couple key features to touch on. First is going to be that lack of an annual fee. Many other popular business credit cards that you come across are going to have an annual fee ranging anywhere from about $100 all the way up to, in some cases, close to $1,000. And these can make sense for different people depending on their circumstances. Personally, I do have a couple of business credit cards that do have annual fees, but most of the ones I have do not have annual fees. The card also comes with Visa signature benefits like purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and other travel perks. There's also going to be no impact to your credit score when you apply for the card on either your business credit or your personal credit. And if you do happen to get denied for the card for whatever reason, your credit will also not be impacted. So now that you got a sense of what the Relay credit card is, let's talk a little bit about how it actually works. The card has a very simple and easy to follow application process, but you're first going to need to be a Relay banking user. If that's the case, then straight from your dashboard, you're going to be able to apply for the card. The application is going to look very similar to most any other business credit card application you're going to come across. You're just going to need to provide your basic information about yourself and your business, and then you'll be up and running. In most cases, Relay's also going to be able to get you an application decision much faster than a big bank, where you might have to wait up to 2 weeks to get either approved or denied. Now, from there, when it comes to actually using the card, it is very seamlessly integrated into the Relay ecosystem, meaning that if you're already banking with Relay, the credit card makes it super easy to see all of your spending in one place. All transactions on the card are also going to be automatically characterized and logged on Relay, making it super easy for you to stay on top of all your business expenses. Now, there are some cons to watch out for before you go ahead and apply for the Relay card. Before we get to those, let's speak a little bit to the perks that the card has to offer for business owners. First one to mention is going to be their cashback rewards system. You're going to earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases with no cap. This means you don't have to be thinking about different categories. It's kind of a catch-all card that you can use for whatever business purchases come up. Additionally, there's no redemption minimum, so you don't have to wait to accumulate a certain amount of rewards before you can actually use them. You can apply them to your statement balance at any point. Now, on top of the rewards, the spending controls and employee cards are a key standout feature of the Relay card. What you're able to do here is issue out cards to different employees on your team with different spending limits and visibility permissions. That way, you as the business owner can be fully in control and see everything that is going on within the business when it comes to who is spending money and where. And your employees have a very convenient way of spending money where they don't have to request for reimbursements from you, which can be a very taxing and time-consuming process. Currently, you can issue up to 50 virtual cards and 20 physical cards. You're also able to receive real-time insights and notifications on spending so that you have eyes on exactly what's going on. This is going to help you to safeguard against any kind of fraud, and also just make sure that your team is using their cards on what they are intended to be used on. The centralization offered by Relay could be seen as either a pro or a con. Speaking to the pros, with your business checking account, savings account, credit card, and money management system all in one platform makes it super easy for you to stay on top of everything without having to log into multiple different platforms just to get a sense of what's actually going on within your business. You can compare this with a monthly report, something like a profit or loss statement, which is only going to give you a snapshot in time of your business finances. This is going to allow you as the business owner to make more informed, confident decisions by using real-time data. So far, so good, right? But now let's dive into what you must know about the Relay credit card before deciding whether or not to use it. The first thing that is super important to understand is how Relay actually makes money. With any platform or service that I use, I want to clearly understand where their business model is. So with Relay, there are 3 key areas of their business model you're going to want to be aware of. The first of which is their paid subscription called Relay Pro. Currently priced at $30 per month, Relay Pro is an optional subscription that grants you access to advanced features and reduced fees, including same-day ACH transfers, free outgoing wires, and some additional functionality to streamline and automate bill payments. This one is extremely straightforward and transparent, but the next way they're making money is a little bit less so, which is through something called interchange. Now, every time you swipe your Relay credit card or one of your employees swipes one of their employee cards, Relay is going to be making a little bit of money on that transaction. That's because anytime a card is swiped, the merchant has to pay a small fee to the companies that make that transaction possible. In this case, that's going to include Relay, Visa, and potentially some other companies as well. Finally, there's also a potential late payment fee to watch out for. Now, with the Relay card, you're going to have a 5-day grace period in order to pay your balance. However, if you do not make your payment on time or within this grace period, you're going to be hit with a 3% fee on your outstanding balance. Personally, I set up autopay for all of my business credit cards, so that's not something that I'm worried about, but definitely something to keep in mind. So now that you know how Relay makes money, let's talk about some of the potential downsides of the Relay credit card. First one is that you do not have the ability to carry a balance with this card. So Relay offers a 30-day billing cycle, and at the end of that billing cycle, you have to pay your card off in full. If you do not, again, you're going to be assessed that late payment fee, and your card is going to be locked. This is not a card that you are allowed to carry a balance on and revolve on. Instead, you spend on it throughout the month, you pay it off, and you do the same thing next month. The next downside is that they do not offer any kind of introductory APR offers. So some business credit cards you might see have a 0% APR offer for a certain number of months, or different incentives to make a balance transfer over to that card. This is not something that Relay offers, again, because the Relay card does not allow you to carry a balance from month to month. Another thing to think about with this card is you are dependent on Relay banking. So if at any point you did want to switch from Relay to another small business banking solution, it's likely not going to make sense for you to continue using the Relay card. And then on top of that, the card is only going to be available to certain kinds of businesses, specifically those that meet the following 4 criteria. First, your business has to be US incorporated and operated. It must be structured as an LLC, partnership, or corporation, so unfortunately no sole proprietorships. Your business must be established for at least a full year before your credit card application, and you've got to be bringing in at least $240,000 in annual revenue, or $20,000 per month. If you don't meet those 4 criteria, you're not going to be eligible for card. So all that out of the way, who is the Relay credit card actually for, and who is going to be best to steer clear? Well, the ideal user is going to be a small business owner that's already using Relay banking and wants a simple all-in-one solution to manage all of their business finances. This is kind of the key value prop of Relay, to have all of your cash flow in one spot. And so the Relay credit card allows you to take that a step further. Additionally, if you are a bit more expense conscious and you're looking for something that is completely free, Relay absolutely checks that box, and the flexibility to issue up to 50 digital and 20 physical cards can be very advantageous for folks with growing teams. However, if you're a business owner that's trying to maximize your credit card rewards, or relies heavily on having in-person banking support, then Relay might not be the best solution for you, because again, those rewards are not going to be the most competitive compared to other rewards credit cards for businesses. And because Relay is a fully online banking platform, there are no physical branches for you to go into. They have agreed to give you guys a special $100 sign-up bonus if you use the link below this video to sign up and fund a Relay account. Thanks so much to Relay for partnering with me on this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the card. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.